Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vallari and today I am going to create this look. I am using this color from Coastal Saints palette. I am going to blend it all over my crease as well as outer corner of my eye. Next I am using this color on my crease. I am using a smaller brush this time. Next I am using this dark blue color on the outer corner of my eye. I am kind of creating a half V shape and then blending it. Next I am going in for the black color on the outer corner to define my eyes even more. I am using this pigment Melon from MAC on my eyelid. Next I am going to blend this color on my lower lash line. I am using this dark blue color again to define my lower lash line. I am applying kajal on my waterline and tightlining my eyes as well. using this light shade to highlight my brow bone. I've applied falsies off camera. Now I am applying eyeliner. This eyeliner is by Sugar Cosmetics. I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I am going to finish the rest of my makeup. This lip color Brazen Raisin is by Sugar Cosmetics. So this is the finished look, guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.